You've tried before. You know you have. The fresh start, the motivation, the plan written out at 11 p.m. with total conviction. And then a week later, nothing. Not because you're weak, because you were trying to build discipline on top of a foundation that wasn't there. Discipline isn't something you decide to have. It's something you rebuild piece by piece, starting lower than your pride wants to admit. Here are 10 habits that actually do it. Habit 1. Make your bed. This is not about tidiness. It's about proof. The first action of your day becomes evidence for every action after it. A completed task, no matter how small, tells your brain you are someone who finishes things. Do this tomorrow morning before anything else. Habit 2. 1 glass of water before your phone. Before you reach for any screen, drink water first. This breaks the automatic reach that runs your mornings on autopilot and replaces it with a decision you actually made. Small, but it's the first rep of choosing instead of reacting. Habit 3. Move for 10 minutes. No exceptions. Not a workout, just movement. A walk, stretching, anything. The goal isn't fitness yet. The goal is proving to your body that discomfort doesn't get to run the show. 10 minutes, every single day, non-negotiable. Habit 4. Do the hardest task first. Whatever you're avoiding, that's the one that goes first, before anything easy. Discipline is not built doing what's comfortable. It's built in the 15 minutes right after you wanted to check your phone instead and did the hard thing anyway. Habit 5. Set one hard deadline daily. Vague goals lose to your excuses every time. Pick one task, give it a specific time, and treat that time like it's already happened. Not, I'll do it today. I'll do it by 2 p.m. Specificity is what makes a promise to yourself actually count. Habit 6. Track it. Don't just feel it. Write down whether you did the thing. Yes or no. Nothing else. Your brain lies to you about effort constantly. A written record doesn't. This single sheet of paper becomes the only honest mirror you have. Habit 7. Say no to one easy thing a day. Not a big sacrifice. Something small and available, extra scrolling, a second snack, a snooze button. Discipline isn't built in the big moments. It's built in the tiny ones nobody sees, repeated until they become reflex. Habit 8. Clean up one small mess before bed. Your space, your dishes, your desk. This isn't about being neat. It's about not letting chaos compound overnight. You wake up to order instead of evidence of yesterday's avoidance. Habit 9. Review the day in 3 sentences. What did I do? What did I avoid? What will I do differently tomorrow? No self-punishment, just information. Discipline grows from data, not guilt. Habit 10. Lower the bar until you can't fail. This is the habit that saves all the others. On the days you have nothing left, don't skip. Shrink the task until it's impossible to say no to. 1 page instead of a chapter. 1 rep instead of a workout. The identity survives the day. That's the entire point. None of these habits are impressive on their own. That's exactly why they work. Discipline was never built from intensity. It's built from proof, repeated daily, until proof becomes identity. Most people will read this list and try all 10 tomorrow and quit by Thursday. Pick one. Start today. Comment habit 1 if that's where you're starting.